Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Another useful and informative video which is about how to fix AirDrop not working on iPhone. So how to fix this issue? First of all, I will request to my all friends, please subscribe and share my YouTube channel. Press the bell icon for more latest video. So do not waste any time. First of all, fix this issue. So how to fix this issue? First solution you have restart Bluetooth and Wi-Fi. So then you have open the setting and then you have click on Wi-Fi. So then you have restart from here. So then you have disconnect and reconnect Wi-Fi your device. Then you have Bluetooth. So you have turn off and then you have turn on 10 to 20 seconds wait and then you have turn on your device. Then second solution you have reset network setting. So then you have again open the setting and scroll up, then you have click on general, scroll up, then you have click on transfer or reset, then you have click on reset network setting. iPhone given a passcode, then you have taken a passcode and then do not lose any data, only reset network setting on your iPhone, then your problem will be fixed. Then third solution you have restart your device. So then you have go back from here. So then you have press the volume up button, volume down button, press the power button. When you see appears Apple logo on your screen, then 10 to 20 seconds wait and then mobile is restart your, and then your problem will be fixed. If there are this solution is not working, then other solution you have update iOS latest version on your iPhone. So then you have again open the setting and then you have click on general, click on software update, iOS latest version on your iPhone available, so you must be update your iPhone. Then other solution you have make sure AirDrop is enabled from your device. So then you have open the control center, click on Wi-Fi. So then you have AirDrop from here, so everyone. So then last solution you have turn off personal hotspot. So then you have again open the control center, click on Wi-Fi, personal hotspot run off. I have already. So then you have must be already turned off. So then hopefully guys, after watching this video you will all know. If you have any problem, so please let me know in the comments box. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Do not forget subscribe and share my YouTube channel. Allah Hafiz.